Good morning. I, Mrs. Sangeeta Jain Samant, Associate Professor, Department of Home Science, Government College, Arai, Ajmer, Rajasthan, will today elaborate on the Integrated Child Development Services, that is ICDS scheme. This scheme was launched on 2nd October 1975. It is one of the flagship programs of the Government of India and represents one of the world's largest and unique programs for early childhood care and development. It is the foremost symbol of country's commitment to its children and nursing mothers. As a response to the challenge of providing preschool non-formal education on one hand and breaking the vicious cycle of malnutrition, morbidity, reduced learning capacity and mortality on the other. The beneficiaries under the scheme are children in the age group of 0 to 6 years, pregnant women and lactating mothers. The objectives of ICDS scheme. Firstly, to improve the nutritional and health status of children in the age group 0 to 6 years. Second, to lay the foundation for proper psychological, physical and social development of the child. Thirdly, to reduce the incidence of mortality, morbidity, malnutrition and school dropout. Fourth, to achieve effective coordination of policy and implementation amongst the various departments to promote child development. And lastly, to enhance the capability of the mother to look after the normal health and nutritional needs of the child through proper nutrition and health education. The services covered under the ICDS scheme are a package of 6 services, namely supplementary nutrition, preschool non-formal education, nutrition and health education, immunization, health checkup, and lastly, referral services. The last 3 services are related to health and are provided by the Ministry, that is Department of Health and Family Welfare, through NRHM and Health System. The perception of providing a package of services is based primarily on the consideration that the overall impact will be much larger if the different services develop an integrated manner, as the efficacy of a particular service depends upon the support it receives from the related services. For better governance in the delivery of the scheme, the convergence is therefore one of the key features of the ICDS scheme. This convergence is inbuilt in the scheme, which provides a platform in the form of Anganwadi centers for providing all services under the scheme. The ICDS team comprises of the Anganwadi workers, Anganwadi helpers, supervisors, child development project officers, that is CDPOs, and district program officers, that is DPOs. Anganwadi worker, a lady selected from the local community, is a community-based frontline honorary worker of the ICDS program. She is also an agent of social change, mobilizing community support for better care of young children, girls and women. Besides, the medical officers, auxiliary nurse midwife ANM and the accredited social health activist ASHA form a team with the ICDS functionaries to achieve convergence of different services. The delivery mechanism to the beneficiaries. The service, supplementary nutrition. The target group is children below 6 years and pregnant and lactating mothers. The services provided by the Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper. The immunization program for children below 6 years and pregnant and lactating mothers. The services provided by the ANM and medical officer. The health checkup for children below 6 years, pregnant and lactating mothers. The services provided by the ANM, medical officer and Anganwadi worker. Referral services, children below 6 years, pregnant and lactating mothers. The services provided by the Anganwadi worker, ANM and medical officer. The preschool education for children between 3 to 6 years of age. The services provided by the Anganwadi worker. Nutrition and health education for women in the age group of 15 to 45 years. Anganwadi worker, ANM and medical officer together provide the service. The Anganwadi worker assists the ANM in identifying the target groups.